everybody. So today I am going to be just using 3 colors and I'm going to be doing a little bit of a twist to a simple pour. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Today I'm working on an 11 by 14 canvas, and I had done a video, I think it was number 238, where I did a ring pour and then I did a small 4x5 canvas, and I got some really cool detail in that one, so I'm gonna try to recreate that. So the colors that I've got today is iridescent graphite from Liquitex Basics. I've got white pearl from Folkart, and then this color is a mix of Folkart 14 karat gold and then Decoart Americana Decor metallics.